An area of land covered with a thick growth of trees.
Wood. Wood. An oak wood.
The room in a house where people sit to relax and, for example, watch television.
Sitting room. Sitting room. We usually eat in the sitting room.
The way words combine and change their form and position in a sentence, or the rules or study of this.
Grammar. Grammar.
This course will cover basic English grammar.
Slightly.
Little. Little. I was a little bit worried by what she said.
The hard material that trees are made of.
Wood. Wood. He gathered some wood to build a fire.
As far as.
Until. Until.
Carry on until the traffic lights and then turn right.
Not clean.
Dirty. Dirty.
Her face was dirty and tear-stained.
A large container that uses electricity to keep food cold.
Fridge. Fridge. Don't forget to put the milk back in the fridge.
Information that is written down to help you study, or to help you remember something you are going to write about.
Note. Note. The journalist took notes throughout the interview.
Someone whose job is selling things in a shop.
Shop assistant. Shop assistant. She works as a shop assistant.
A blue color.
Blue. Blue. There's a lot of blue in this room.
The reflexive form of the pronoun it.
Itself. Itself. The cat licked itself all over.
From one part of a road, river, etc. to another.
Along. Along. A romantic walk along the beach or river.
Strong in color.
Bright. Bright. Leslie always wears bright colors.
To fix something that is broken or damaged.
Repair. Repair. I must get my bike repaired.
A woman who rules a country because she was born into a royal family, or a woman who is married to a king.
Queen. Queen.
Queen Victoria.